Let's eat, guys. So let's eat. Pho bop bab. You see this one? Sausage and chicken pie mushroom. Yeah, okay. This is chicken pie mushroom.
Beef.
Beef. Okay, so I'm not really. So this one is a sausage and the beef yesterday. I still have leftover. So let's eat, guys. So, okay. But I added with mozzarella cheese on top. Okay. Wait. Okay. Bite goes to you.
First
Okay.
bite goes to you.